Hello traders, FX Pip Collector here. Today is Tuesday, April 11th, and I'm going to be analyzing the pound US dollar, starting on the monthly, working my way down to the 1 hour time frame. So on the monthly, I still think there's a very good possibility that this move up is not a correction, that this is going to end up turning into a trend, probably taking out the high of this previous swing high right here. I think there's a very good likelihood this is all just one big overlapping correction, and we may have actually ended the correction right here. Now we're turning up into a new uptrend. So let's head down to the weekly time frame. On the weekly time frame, I still think that this first move up right here is a wave 1. I think this move down is a wave 2. And I think there's a very good likelihood this is just going to keep on going up, eventually making that 3, 4, and 5, probably taking out the high of this previous wave C. So keeping that in mind, let's take it down to the daily time frame. On the daily time frame, you can see the 1 ABC of 2, the 3 ABC of 4, and 5, probably all part of a wave 1. I still think this is an ABC of 2. You can see that it did break structure and then almost instantly turned back up. That's a very good sign that that was the end of a correction. And as you can see, we've been trending up ever since. Now, we did go down from pretty much all of last week, but as you can see, it never broke any structure to the downside. The trend is definitely still 100% up, and I am still primarily looking for longs on shorter time frames because I believe that we are still in a wave 3. So let's head down to the 4 hour time frame. On the 4 hour time frame, I think we may have already ended a correction. Now, there's no clear ABC here, but you can definitely see that it's very, very overlapping. You can definitely see that it did respect to 61.8. It did make an impulsive move up, and it does look like it just recently took out structure to the upside. I think there's a very good likelihood that is the end of a correction, and that this is just going to keep on trending up, making them higher highs and higher lows from here. So let's take it down even further to the 1 hour time frame. Like I said, on the 1 hour time frame, there's really no clear correction like ABC or anything like that, but you can notice that it's just very overlapping, very, very corrective. That is what a correction is, overlapping and corrective. It did definitely turn it to 61.8. It did recently take out structure. With that structure break right there, it probably will make a little bit of a pullback, which is very good for us, because at the end of that pullback is going to be a much safer entry to go long for the continuation of this uptrend. All the higher time frames are telling me the trend is up. Shorter time frames, I'm still looking for longs in an uptrend. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel. The link for that is on the screen and in the description. Thanks and happy trading.